Hello, my name is Robert Harrison. The topic that I have chosen is applications to school-based instructional interventions. Um, I developed an interest in this topic because I'm an educator and also a student of ABA. I've been trying to incorporate some ABA principles into my instructional processes, and I'd like to learn more about this area of literature. A large number of classmates have selected the more general topic, ABA and education. So I decided to be a little different and choose this topic of applications of ABA to school-based instructional interventions. I think it's a little more focused, and hopefully, again, I'll get to learn more about this area and probably get to implement some of these practices and interventions into my instructional techniques.